Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Bluehost website transfer tool. So first of all, go ahead to the official website and make sure that you subscribe to the best plan that you can get from Bluehost, and you can save a lot by subscribing to $2.95 a month. And if you want to get more discount, please visit the link in the description box to basically get the best offer. So we're gonna go ahead to the official website, and if you want to use the Bluehost website transfer, and we're gonna get to the bottom of how to transfer WordPress.com site inside the Bluehost, of course. Navigating the complexities of managing your online content can be challenging, right? If you want to export a site, to export or transfer a site, just access your WordPress.com dashboard, click on the Tools tab, right, from the side navigation menu on the left, and then just select as export, okay, and then click download export file, right? And basically you're gonna, if you want to import site, what you gotta do, log into Bluehost WordPress dashboard, of course, and click the Tools tab from the side navigation menu on the left side, and then click import, and then you're gonna see right here Tumblr, Blogger, and then WordPress, and then click install now from here, okay? And basically after installation, navigate to the WordPress menu and select run importer, right? Click tools and import, and then click run importer, right? And then click choose file right here, right? And then click upload file and import, right? And then mark the checkbox labeled download and import file attachment, right? You're gonna see it right here, right? Enter or create a new user with login name and assign, and make sure that you hit the check mark download import files attachment. And then to finish the migration, click on the submit button, right? You're gonna find it, sorry, at the bottom left, okay, or at the bottom at the bottom left right here, okay? And basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.